Okay, this is my 2010 Sienna, Toyota Sienna. It has a problem with when you're braking. It has a what seems to be described as a false ABS activation. So when you're driving at slow speed and braking and turning at the same time, then it feels like the brake's letting go. So Googled it. Some of them say the ABS sensors probably dirty. I just got finished cleaning the one on the right side. I just wanted to show what it looks like while I'm doing the left side. And here's the sensor. The other side was a lot dirtier. It had a lot of particles. This is the magnetic tip. A lot of particles stuck to it, so I cleaned it all off. And also inside the hole where it's mounted, right there, a lot of gunk in there. And you can see the teeth in there where the sensor picks up. I'll just rotate the axle a little bit here. You can see the teeth moving, I think. Yeah. And so those teeth, as they go by, the magnet senses them. And if there's a lot of gunk on the tip of the sensor, it's going to have a hard time with that. So what I did was I cleaned out the sensor and I cleaned out the hole. So there's a lot of junk in there. I just got a screwdriver and some wire brush and cleaned it all out and vacuumed it so it doesn't fall inside. But you know, some does fall inside. So it seems like it's not critical because the other side, the side here of this goes right through into the hole. So it's not like sealed or anything. So just do the best you can, clean it out, put it all back together. This sensor was a lot harder to take out because I think there's more rust caked in the sides of this hole. So it was holding the sensor. I had to do it very carefully. I sprayed some WD-40 on to loosen it up. That worked good. So we'll get it all back together and hopefully that solves my problem. And hopefully that helps someone out there too. Bye.